IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever lost a pair of sunglasses? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I have lost my sunglasses before. I think I left them in a cafe, but I am not sure. It was annoying because they were quite new.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic and a bit flat. Lexical resource, simple, repetitive vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct but very basic. Pronunciation, likely clear but limited range. Typical of a band 5, short answers, little detail, plays it safe. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, actually, I lost a pair last summer while I was traveling. I must have put them down somewhere and completely forgotten about them. It was frustrating, but I suppose these things happen when you're distracted.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and well organized. Lexical resource, good range, frustrating, distracted. Grammar, accurate with some complexity. Pronunciation, clear with natural stress. Typical of a band. 7.5. Extended answers with natural language. Band 9 answer.
Unfortunately, yes. And more than once. I tend to take my sunglasses off absent-mindedly and leave them behind, usually in cafes or taxis. It's mildly infuriating, but by now I've accepted it as a personal flaw.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and engaging. Lexical resource, precise and idiomatic. Absent-mindedly, mildly infuriating. Grammar, flexible and fully controlled. Pronunciation, natural, confident, expressive. Typical of a band 9, sounds human, not rehearsed, and a little self-aware. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.